Welcome back to today's video. Thank you for returning and thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please do me a favor and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little review / try on haul of the recent FENDIxSKIMS collection. So I just got my order today and this is from the second drop. This is the bodysuit. I got the mock neck long sleeve bodysuit in Colorado and I got a size medium. I believe everything I got was about $275 USD. So to start off, it comes in this pretty box. I love this like magenta pink and it has the FENDIxSKIMS logo on it. So this is how it comes in the box, and it says the same thing here: style, mock neck, long sleeve bodysuit, Colorado medium. So this is the bodysuit. This is in the very stretchy material. It's almost like a bathing suit material. It is 74% polyamide and 26% ethylene. So it's super stretchy, and this will definitely like hug and curve your body. This is the little tag that's on it. It is a thong bottom closure with 2 buttons. Thank gosh, because I don't think it would look as good if it was a full butt closure. But yeah, this is the bodysuit and I got long sleeve, I got medium. I probably could have sized down because it's so stretchy, but I got this. I believe this ran me $275 US. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. And then here's a little tag here. So I'm gonna try this on and I'll be back to show you guys. I'm probably gonna wear this for my birthday. That's what I ordered it for. Luckily enough, it came in time. But yeah, I'll be right back. So this is a bodysuit on. Honestly, I was wrong. I'm so glad I got a medium. It is actually so super snug. Like, if this was meant to shape you and snatch you, it does its job. I think this will be perfect because it's winter right now. It's actually very comfortable. It's very cute. I like it. I think it's really nice up close. You see the FENDIxSKIMS all over it. I would definitely recommend. I was gonna sell this, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's really cute. You can't really see anything. I'm wearing leather pants. But yeah, this is the bodysuit. If I do wear this for my birthday, I'll insert pics to show you guys. But it's actually very comfortable. I literally feel like I'm wearing a bathing suit and I can wear it all day, all night. The thong part of the crotch doesn't hurt or anything like that. It's very comfortable, very cute. I would definitely recommend. But yeah. Overall, I actually love this bodysuit. I'm actually so happy I ordered it for my birthday. No regrets. If you're interested in grabbing this, I'm pretty sure there's a few resellers and a couple on StockX. But yeah, I definitely recommend. It's super comfy. Like, I'm actually getting a little hot right now, but I know I'm going to be outside wearing this, so I'm glad I picked this color. I think it pops, especially on darker skin like myself. I'll probably insert a video of what it looks like, a full outfit. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking my video and coming back to my channel. If you're new here, do me a favor and subscribe. And thank you. Happy holidays.